Do you want to change how Screen Off Memos look when they are saved in Samsung Note? Your Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra lets you choose from several styles for Screen Off Memos. Let me show you how. First, open the Samsung Note app. Tap the menu icon in the top left. Then tap Settings icon. Under the General section, tap Screen Off Memo Style. Here you will find three options: original pen on black background, original pen on white background, and black pen on white background. So what's the difference? Original pen on black background preserve the original Screen Off Memo appearance. This is a good choice if you want your save note to look exactly as they did when written on the Screen Off note screen. Original pen on white background keeps the original pen color but change the background to white. This can make note easier to read or print later. While black pen on white background convert your note to black writing on a white background. This provides a more traditional note-taking appearance and can improve readability for some users. For this example, let's select black pen on white background. Now create a Screen Off Memo and save it. When you open the note in Samsung Note, you will see it displayed with black writing on a white background. However, if you prefer a different appearance, simply return to the previous setting and choose another style that looks best to you. And that's how you change the Screen Off Memo style on the Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.